We are going to be doing a lesson in Primary Mathematics 1A from Singapore Math. Wow, there is a glare. So we are currently on Unit 6, which is numbers to 20, Part 1, counting and comparing. We did number 1 today, and we will be doing this one tomorrow. So this is the one I'm going to go over in this video. It's just to give everyone some idea of how Singapore math should be taught, from what I understand so far. So this is Unit 6, Lesson 2, relate numbers from 11 to 19 to a 10 and 1. This is the instructor's guide. You'll also need the textbook and the workbook. You cannot really get by with only one of these or only 2 of them and actually get the same amount of information and learning from your kid. You can have them just go through these books, but you're not going to teach it the way that it's meant to be taught, which is in the instructor's guide. So I am going to put this on the tripod, and then I'm just going to go through this lesson. So we're going to draw a number bond, which is just 3 empty boxes. $14 blocks. And so I would hand these 14 blocks to my child. And this is a little easier because they are different colors. You could also use these little number blocks where it might be a little harder for them to figure it out depending on your child. Mine could probably do these. But I'm going to demonstrate with these because they're bigger. And so you would say to your child, using the number bond, put these in a group of 10 and a group of leftovers. So here's your group of 10.
The rainbow sign.
Good job. Let me see it, Sam. Wow, look at that cool thing Sam made with the math blocks. Those are pop cubes, right? These are the math blocks. I like it.
It's my rainbow safe.
Nice. Okay, so you're going to hand this to your child, and you're going to say, put these into a group of 10 and a group of leftovers. In this case, it's really easy because they're different colors. So they can say, here's this and this. So then you would say, now write it as an addition equation in the number bond. And so they would write, in this case, because of where there are, I'm going to do 4 plus 10, because we know it doesn't matter when we're adding which part is in which spot. Hopefully your child knows that too. So you're going to do 4 and 10, and you're going to say then what would go in that spot, and the answer is going to be 14. And the goal is to help your child see that you have one group of 10 and 4 ones. I'm going to do this again with another number, and this time I'm going to use the math blocks. Okay, so I want you to take these math blocks and separate them into a group of 10 and a group of leftovers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here's your group of 10, and how many are left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I want you to make that into a number bond. And we do circles. And it doesn't matter what goes in what circle. So we know we have a 10. And we know we have a 6. So your total is going to be 16. I don't care, Drayden. So you have one group of 10 and 6 ones. 6 leftovers. Okay. Now we're going to move on to the textbook. With Singapore Math, you always do the textbook first. You could choose to let your child write in the textbook or not. I don't, because I would like to reuse it again another day for my other kid. So here we go. Here's the textbook. Okay, so now it's time for the textbook, and it tells you right here, textbook, tasks 2 to 4, page 57 to 58. So we're going to start here, and it says make a 10 and count. Straight in. So you would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 and 6 is 16. You have 10 here and 6 here. Now come down to the lemons. How many lemons are there? We're going to separate them into a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's our 10, and we have 5 more. So we have a group of 10 and 5 ones. That's 15. Over here you can see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's your group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's your group of 5. 15 is 10 and 5. Down here we have frogs. And the information it gives us is blank is 10 and 8. So we're going to count out 10 frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's going to leave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more. Here's your 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And here's the 8 extra, 2, 4, 6, 8. So a group of 10 and 8 ones. Over here it says, how many beads are there? This is going to be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have a group of 10 and a group of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Group of 10 and a group of 5 make 15. 10 plus 5. That's very cool. 10 plus 5 equals 15. How many stamps are there? How many stamps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So a group of 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. 10 and 4 make 14. 10 plus 4 equals 14. Complete the addition sentences. 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 15. 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 plus 8 is 18. Count from 1 to 20 and then count backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And over here.
I had to do it.
So now that we finished that, we're going to move on to the workbook.
That part. No.
Alright, so here's exercise 37. Fill in the missing numbers. 10 and 6 make 16. 10 and 2 make 12. 10 and 9 make 19. 10 and 5 make 15. Over here, we're going to complete the number sentence. 10 leaves, a group of 10 leaves, and 4 individual leaves. 10 plus 4 equals 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 10 plus 4 equals 14. Here we have 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 10 plus 8 equals 18. Here we have a group of 10 and a group of 3. 10 and 3 is 13. And then here we have a group of 10 and a group of 7. 10 and 7 is 17. And that's all there is for today in Singapore math. Oftentimes we would play a game or something, but that is an entire lesson in Singapore Math, Primary Mathematics 1A US Edition. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found that somewhat informative. Bye guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.